Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about transformations. We are going to be transforming shapes from when they're on the coordinate plane, and we're going to be rotating them around. The easiest way I found to do this is to use this little cheat sheet. So I want you to pause the video. You're going to copy down this side and this side. When you're doing that, this means counterclockwise, this means clockwise. So go ahead and pause the video, copy that down into your notes because it'll be really helpful, and then come on back. All right, so now we're gonna get started. We're gonna start by, I wanna show you first like how to visualize this, but I really think that using your points is a lot easier. But let's start by visualizing. First things first, we're gonna take this trapezoid here and I'm gonna put that onto my coordinate plane. Now, you notice our trapezoid has 4 parts and we've got 0, 0, then we go over 2, up 3, 2, 3, and then we go over 4, up 3, and then we go over 6, up 0. Okay, so we want to rotate this guy 90 degrees counterclockwise. And counterclockwise seems to be the most common one. I don't see clockwise very often. But if you do, you'll notice 90 degrees counterclockwise is just 270 clockwise. So we're going to do 90 degrees counterclockwise. So we come over here counterclockwise 90 degrees. Our XY becomes this. And you'll see that we switch our X and our Y. And then we switch the sign of the first one, right? Because that's going to become negative. Sometimes they're already negative and you have to make it a positive, but in this case, all of our numbers are positive. So 0, 0 is fairly easy because we can just swap it like that. Now 2, 3, we're going to move 3 to the front and 2 to the back. And remember, our first one becomes negative or the opposite of whatever it is. That's positive, now it's negative. Same thing here, we're going to swap our 3 and our 4, make that guy a negative. And then we're going to swap our 0 and our 6 and make 0 negative, but you can't really do that. So here are our new points. And if you look to see, we've got 0, 0, negative 3, positive 2, negative 3, positive 4. So we went over negative 3, positive 4. Oops, helps if I show you the entire thing here. And then over 0, up 6 right here. So we've taken these points that we have and we are rotating them. You see now my points went 90 degrees, and 90 degrees is just a right angle. So we go one time, we're like this. You gotta make a sound or it doesn't work. And it lands right there. So you can do it, you can visualize it on your graph, but I think the points method is a little bit better. And let me show you why. Let's demonstrate this when it is not right on the origin there. Okay, so this time I'll make sure to show those points to you. Okay, when it's not right on the origin, so let's take a look here. We've got this guy right here. Let's do that. All right, so we've got some points. We've got over 2, up 1. Oops, you know, actually I'm gonna write this up here because we're gonna do 270 this time. So over 2, up 1, over 2, up 4, and then over 4, up 1. Okay, this time I wanna rotate it 270 degrees, which is 3 right angles. Now, you don't just rotate it by taking it on the corner here and going like this and rotating, right? What we have to do is actually rotate it around the origin. So first, let's use our cheat sheet and come up with our points and then see how that works. So if you look at our cheat sheet for 270 for counterclockwise, we're gonna flip our X and our Y, but we're gonna make that back one negative this time. So our new points become 1, negative 2, because we flipped that. Then 4, negative 2. 1, negative 4. Okay, so here's how you would rotate that. Do you see how there's 2 spaces from the origin here to this right angle? When we go to rotate it 90 degrees, we need those 2 spaces to still be there. So we flip it like this, and we have those 2 spaces right there, okay? That's 90 degrees. 180, we're gonna do the same thing, but we still need those 2 spaces between the origin and the right angle. Then we're gonna do it again here, and we say, okay, there we go. We've got our 2 spaces in between, or right next to that right angle. And if you take a look here, our new points are 1, negative 2. So let's go ahead and put this guy back up here. So it was up here. And so our new points are gonna be 1, negative 2. So over 1, down negative 2. Over 4, down negative 2. And 1, negative 4. And you'll see that that has just been rotated 270 degrees. It can be kind of tricky to do that in your head, so I think this point method really works a lot better for that. Excellent job. We'll see you next time.